So guys, today I'm going to make some egusi soup without frying the egusi. The soup really came out delicious. So first of all, I have to boil the meat with some seasonings and some salt. I stir in the ingredients so that the whole part of the meat will contain the ingredients. Then I cover the pot and boil for about 10 minutes. So while it's boiling, I have to add some water into my blended egusi and mix it until it gets to this consistency that is almost thick. You shouldn't make it watery, it should look thick. So to this consistency, we get back to our meat, add some water, allow it to cook for about 20 minutes, and add some oil, add some blended crayfish and yellow pepper. I added some seasonings and some salt as well. Allow it to cook for like 5 minutes, then add the mixed egusi, the egusi that was mixed with water, and cover the pot. Cook for about 10 minutes and the egusi is ready. So you have to stir. Let me know in the comment section if you are going to try this dish. It's really super delicious and very easy to make. So finally, I added some vegetables, and here I use ugu. That is called fluted pumpkin leaves in English. So some people use bitter leaf, some people use uzaza leaf. It depends on your choice, but here I'm using ugu and it really came out super delicious. Please tell me in the comment section if you're going to try this, and thank you for watching my channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and to share. Thank you for watching. May God bless you and your family.